Okay. So now what is the difference between work from home and work from office? How you are going to connect to the servers if you are doing work from home or if you are doing work from office? How will connect to the servers, guys? I'll explain. Okay. Imagine you are doing work from office. Okay. Now you are the one laptop. Let me go. You have your own laptop, guys. Okay. This is your office premises, right? This is your office premises. Control Shift Alt H. Okay. So which office guys, tell me which office you like? Infosys, TCS, Accenture. Which premises you want? Tell me.
Microsoft, sir.
Microsoft, very good. Microsoft taggedele. Okay, this is my Microsoft office. Okay, right? As the Microsoft office is big one, let me expand this one, guys. Okay, I cannot expand it like that. I have to increase the font. Okay, done. This is my Microsoft office, guys. In the Microsoft, I have one Windows server. Okay, imagine you just go to the Microsoft office, either Bangalore or Hyderabad location. You are in the Microsoft office. Okay, your machine in your laptop. Machine means your laptop. Your laptop is in your Microsoft office, guys. This is your laptop. Okay, this is your laptop. You are in Microsoft building now. Your server is might be in the Microsoft same building, might be your server can be in the Microsoft network. Okay, might be in the Microsoft network. Clearly it is a Microsoft network. It can be in the same building, or it can be in the another building, or it can be in another country, but you and your laptop should be in the Microsoft network only. Okay, imagine you're just doing work from office, and you are in the Microsoft building, guys. Okay, so now if I want to connect to this server, what I have to do now? Let me go for any user. Okay, this is you. Okay, this is you, guys, right? This is you just logged into the server, your laptop. Okay, once you are in the Microsoft building, you just logged into your laptop. Now I want to connect to this server, right? So which server I want to connect to this server? You want to connect to this server, right? How can I connect? As discussed, I have to use a remote desktop, guys. Okay, what is the shortcut to open the remote desktop? Just on the Windows button, type remote. In this way also you can get it, remote desktop connection, or the Windows or MSTSC is the shortcut. Yes, please. Any questions? Right. MSTSC is the shortcut. Okay. Either you can go for a long cut, type, hit the Windows button, type remote. Okay. You will get remote desktop connection. The shortcut is keyboard shortcut is just Windows or type MSTSC. That is also one way. Okay. So now it will ask what is the IP address or server name I have to provide here. Okay. This server, right? I want to connect to the server. The server name is Amazon and IP address is 10.0.0.25. So in this RDP, once you open the MSTSC, you will get a screen like this. Either you have to give Amazon, okay, the computer, full computer name is, if it is in Microsoft network, amazon.microsoft.com, guys. This is the full computer name. Computer name dot your company name.com. That is called full computer name. Again, I'll explain while configuring the Active Directory. Or I can use the IP address of the server also. Okay. So here this guy will open MSTSC in this laptop, and he is going to type this server IP address. Which server he want to connect? That server IP address he will type, guys. Okay. Is it clear? If you want to connect to different server, different IP address will be there, right? So he is going to use that option. So this is how, means no extra setup is needed if you are doing work from office, as your laptop is already connected to the office network. No extra setup is needed. Simply you will open MSTSC in your laptop, and you will give the server IP address that you want to connect, and it will ask you the username, this server username and password. It will ask you, you have to provide that username and password, and you can happily log into the server. Is it clear? Any issues, any doubts in this process? Let me know. Please let me know. No issues again. I'll explain again. Is this clear? This very simple process. Clear, guys? Guys, please respond. Please respond. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, please
Yes, sir.
respond. I don't know,
I
Clear,
like,
got.
sir.
if you
Clear.
Yes,
ask
sir.
your, if you ask any question, if I don't respond, how you are going to feel? Okay, please try to respond. This is very important. If you open your mouth, then in the interview also you can respond. Okay. Right, guys, fine. I'll tell you, sir. I'll tell you how to find server IP address and all. I'll tell you. Okay, nothing to worry. Right. So what if you are doing work? Yes, yes. Tell me.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah, no problem.
I got network issue. I just joined.
Okay.
So please can you explain once?
Yeah, yeah, no problem, no problem. Okay. So if you are in the Microsoft Office, okay, you want to like you are an employee of Microsoft Office, you want to connect to the server, okay, one of your server that you are working. Don't think all the servers you can connect, guys. On which server you have access to, that server only you can connect. Okay, agree. So now if you're in the Microsoft Office, if you're doing work from office, simply you'll open your laptop. Okay, you will type either MSTSC in the laptop or remote desktop in your laptop. Then you will get this kind of pop-up. It will ask you what is the server name that you want me to connect. You have to provide the server name or server IP address also you can provide. Once you provide server name and server IP address, then you will get one screen. Once you give username and password, it will ask you the username and password. You cannot enter into the server directly, guys. Those servers are secure servers. Everyone can't connect to the servers. If your account is created in that particular server, then only you can connect to the server. Agree, guys. For example, you are trying to
Yes, sir.
log into your phone.
Yeah.
You are giving one password. That password already should exist in your phone, right? Agree. If the password is not existed, how can you use that password? Where it is going to check this is the correct password or wrong password? If this is Dhanunjay, imagine if this is Dhanunjay want to connect to the server. So Dhanunjay account has to be created in the server, guys. Dhanunjay account should be created in the server. Dhanunjay should be existed in the server. Then only Dhanunjay can connect to the server. Okay, got the point, guys, right? Control Z, let me. If anyone wants to connect to the server, that person account should be created. Even in your laptop also, you are trying to log into your laptop with different names, right? Agree. So that name should be created in that laptop while installing your laptop, guys. Then only you can connect to the laptop. That is the same point. So simply, if you are in the office building or office network, you have to open your laptop. You have to type either remote desktop or MSTSC. You will get the screen. You have to provide the server IP address to which server you want to connect. Click on connect. It will ask you the server name, username and password. You have to provide your username and password. If you have access to the server, you can happily connect to the server remotely, guys. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Fine,
Clear.
good. Okay, so let me go to the work from home. If you're doing work from home, what is the challenges? What extra things that we have to configure, guys? Okay, imagine, let me go with the home symbol. You are doing work from home. Nowadays, everyone is doing work from home, right? So this home is good. Let me go to this home. Okay, this is the home, guys. This is your home. Now you are doing work from home. Okay, fine, good. If you are doing work from home, guys, earlier your laptop is directly connected to the office network, guys. Once you enter into the office building, your laptop will be directly connected to the office network, so there is no issues. Now you are doing work from home. Okay, if you are doing work from home, this is your laptop. Okay, this time we'll go with this laptop. Okay, so this is your laptop, right? This is your laptop. So here you have to connect to the server, guys. Here from your laptop, you have to connect to the server directly. So Control Z, please. Okay. So here you cannot connect to the server like this, guys. Directly, you cannot connect to the server directly. If you open your laptop and if you type MSTSC or remote desktop, you cannot directly connect to the server. Okay. First of all, your laptop has to connect to your office network. Okay, your laptop has to connect your office network. So for that, what we are going to use, we are going to use
VPN.
VPN. Very good, excellent. Okay, we are going to use one VPN software, guys. VPN. Okay, there is a software called VPN software. So this is the VPN software. In the market we have different VPN softwares, guys, like Cisco VPN.
Yes.
Okay, what are the other VPN softwares, guys? We have
Any connect.
Juniper.
Citrix.
Citrix is different. Okay, Citrix doesn't have any this one. Okay, Cisco VPN, famous VPN software will be there, guys. What is the famous VPN? Cisco VPN. Why we have to struggle? Let me go to this. Okay, Control Shift Alt H. Just go to the Google and we have different VPN softwares. VPN softwares. Okay, let me go back and let me pure VPN area buffered, Express VPN. There are some famous softwares in the organization. Mostly in the organization will use Cisco VPN. Okay, Global Protect. These kind of softwares we are going to use, guys. Okay, Cisco VPN, Global Protect.
Pulse Secure.
Pulse Secure. Yes. That's the one. Pulse Secure, guys. Pulse Secure. Okay, this is the important okay VPN software. 90% we are going to use this software. This is an extra software. Okay, this is called VPN software. These are all the VPN softwares only. So once you got the laptop from the IT department, okay, they will communicate, they will contact you, they will install one VPN software in your laptop. Then only your laptop can connect to the office network, guys. VPN software, virtual private network. VPN means virtual private network is one software which will act as a bridge between VPN. Virtual private network will act as a bridge between your internet and office network, guys. Okay, is it clear? So there are different companies will use different VPN softwares. Mostly they will use Pulse Secure, guys. Pulse Secure is one VPN software. Pulse Secure, Global Protect, Cisco VPN, like this. We have different okay softwares. Pulse Secure. Let's see whether this diagram is there or not. Not there. No issues. Okay. So they will install VPN in your laptop, guys. And as what you have to do, guys, immediately once you turn on your laptop, if you want to connect to the servers, immediately first you have to connect to the VPN. Without connecting to the VPN, you cannot connect to the servers, guys. Okay, so here you are using, imagine you are using Airtel broadband, or you are using mobile hotspot, whatever it is. Okay, you are using some mobile hotspot and all, you are using some Airtel broadband or some Hathway network, whatever it is, whatever networks are available, you are using that network, guys. So your laptop is connected to the net router, right? Agree, everyone? Right, your laptop is connected to the router. This is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let me go. Yeah, fine, your laptop is connected to the router, so you can see like this. Yeah, this is clear, this connection is clear, everyone. Done.
Yes,
Your
sir.
router will connect to the VPN software, guys. Okay, so using your router, using the VPN softwares, we are able to connect to the office network, guys. Okay, and this is how we have to connect to the servers from your work from office, guys. Work from home, I'm sorry. If you are doing work from home, this is how we'll connect to the servers. Means simply, one thing I want to say, simply, you cannot directly connect to the server if you are doing work from home. Of course, once you turn on your laptop, by default, it will be connected to the router. No doubt about this one, this configuration, you know. But once you connect it to the router, you have to connect to the VPN software in your laptop. Okay, VPN software if already installed, you can see under system tray. This is system tray, guys. In this system tray, you can see any VPN software. Sometimes it will be connected by default, sometimes you have to connect automatically, guys. Okay, guys, remember one thing, if you are unable to connect to the server means there is one reason. That means if you are doing work from home, if you are unable to connect to the server means there is one reason. The one reason is you might not connected to the VPN. Agree? If you haven't connected to the VPN, you cannot connect to the office servers, office networks. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Any issues, any doubts in this?
No.
Everyone, please, is it clear? If you have any
Yeah,
issues,
clear.
let me know. Okay. So
Yes,
by
yes.
default, your laptop, if you are doing work from home, router might not be there if you are using mobile hotspot, but that will also act as a router only. Nothing to worry. Okay. So this is your Pulse Secure, guys. Pulse Secure. So what a VPN software will do, guys?
Act as bridge.
It will act as a bridge between your
Act as a bridge.
internet work, your internet that you are using, and your office network, guys.
Office
Okay.
network.
Yeah. So your VPN virtual private, the name itself is saying virtual private network. Okay.
Private network.
By using this private network, it is combining two networks, your home internet and your office network. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Once you are
Yes, sir.
connected to VPN, the same process. You have to open MSTSC or remote desktop here. You can connect to the server here, guys. Fine. In our case, let me change this machine name to batch 42. Our machine name is batch 42, right? So batch 42. Now I'll connect to this batch 42, guys. Okay. So this is my computer name. This is my server name. This is having one IP address. I'll tell you how to see the IP address. So if I want to connect to the server, what I should have, guys? What I should have if I want to connect to the server? What inputs I should have?
Virtual machine.
IP address.
Virtual
IP
virtual
address.
machine.
IP address.
Main
IP
IP address
address.
or computer name, server name. Agree? Done. So here, do I need any VPN software? The quick question, please respond fastest fingers first.
No, no.
Do I
No,
need
no,
any
no.
VPN
No.
network?
No.
No.
Why no?
Why? Because we are
It's an like it's not on premises actually.
Within the organization.
So the correct answer is okay, not required, no need of any VPN software. Why? Because this is the setup. Okay, in my laptop itself, I have created VM. So both my laptop and VM both are connected to a single network.
Yeah.
See that, guys?
Mute
Let
everyone.
me check. Let me check, guys. I want to listen. Who is that? That much of disturbance why we are getting? Chidanand, where are you, Chidanand? I just want to casually I'm asking, where are you, Chidanand?
Sir,
Where are you?
sir, hostel.
Hostel PG, okay. Okay, done. If possible, just try to be in your room itself, okay? Done, guys,
Yes,
done.
sir.
Yeah, thank you. Because in builders are disturbance, yes, okay. Who can install VPN? Your Windows people will install VPN. Okay, Windows people means IT support guys will be there. IT support guys, they will install VPN software. Once you got your laptop, they will take remote control of your machine and they will install VPN software from Naresh. Okay, fine. Narendra, because inbuilt. Okay, yeah, correct. Fanindra, that's fine. So as my machine, laptop, and my server that I have installed yesterday, Friday, both are connected to the single network and both are in a same network. So that's why in our case, we don't need any VPN. If I create this machine in your laptop, I am trying to access from my laptop. Yours is different internet. I am using different internet. To bridge these two internets, I have to install VPN software. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is how it will work, guys. So with that note, if it is clear, remote desktop is clear, let me configure remote desktop connections. Okay, I have to enable the remote desktop connections, guys. Again, this step will be done by your network team. I told you, right? First, it will go to which team, guys? Can anyone tell me the hierarchy of creating a SQL server or installing SQL server? What is the process?
Virtual machine. Virtual machine
box.
network.
Very good.
Virtual window
Virtual
network
machine,
backup.
Windows, yes.
DB.
Backup doesn't need. Okay, just I told you there is a separate team backup. Some companies might have backup team, some companies might not have backup team. Okay, so first it will go to
Then
VM. VM will created by your Windows team or VM team. Then it will goes to the Windows team. They will install your Windows operating system and required softwares. Next, it will go to the network team. They will enable the remote connections and all. Next, or else first itself, they will enable the remote connections and all, then only we can connect to the server remotely. Okay, and finally, it will comes to you guys. Okay, so we have completed VM steps, we have completed Windows steps also, and now network steps. Okay, we have to enable the remote connections. Okay, so this is my server. I want to enable the remote connections. First of all, I want to check, right, what is the IP address. Without IP address, how can I connect, guys? I don't know how to connect, right? I should have IP address. So how to find the IP address of a server, guys? Can anyone help me? How to find IP address?
Config.
Very good, IP config.
IP config, sir.
Yeah, go to the Windows server, open Windows R, run. It will open Windows R is the shortcut to open run. Type CMD. Okay, type CMD. CMD means command prompt you will get. Then type IP config. Okay, IP config. IP configuration. Config means configuration. So always please check this IPv4 address only. We'll use only IPv4 address to connect to the server. So what is the IPv4 address, guys? 10.0.2.15. Okay, 10.0.2.15. So here, let me go to this 10.0.2.15. In the organization, the server IP addresses will be 10 series only. Mostly the server's IP addresses will be in 10 series only, guys. Okay, right. I cannot connect to the server as I haven't enabled the remote desktop connections. First, let me enable the remote desktop connections, then I can connect. Okay, there are two steps involved in enabling the remote desktop connections. One is, okay, go to your this PC properties. How to get the this PC, guys? Okay, just hit the Windows button, you will get this PC, and right click, go to the properties. Okay, now here you can see one option called remote settings. Select this remote settings, and here you can see under remote. Okay, usually you can see this tab, but go to remote tab. There you can see do not allow remote connections. Okay, I need remote connections, so allow remote connections, guys. Click OK. Okay, apply. Listen carefully, you will get one error. I'll show you that error also. Click apply and OK. Fine, one setting is done. Second setting, go to your VM level, go to your VirtualBox manager, right click, go to the settings of this box. Okay, go to the network page. Here attached to is there, right? Network adapter. Just expand, select the bridged adapter, advanced, select allow all. Okay, these are the two settings you have to do for your remote desktop connection. One is this PC properties remote settings. Second one is the machine settings. You have to go to network page. There you have to choose bridged adapter, and you have to choose advanced allow all. Guys, remember, if you are facing any difficulties, any troubles, go through the videos again and again. Okay, right? Fine. Once you enable this, you will get this pop-up, guys. Don't press yes. You have to click yes. Sorry. Don't click no. You have to click yes only, guys. Click yes. Don't choose no option. You have to choose yes only, right? So once you just enable the remote connections, your IP address will be changed, guys. Okay. So again, for the fresh IP address, I can use the command prompt to get it. So here, without typing IP config, how can I get it, guys? The whole IP config. I can use my up arrow, down arrow. Okay, so the last query you can see, last command you can see, use up arrow. No need to type the whole command, use up arrow. So last time I just used this IP config, right? Hit enter. Now you can see earlier it is 10.0.2.15. Now what is the IP address, guys? Tell me what is the IP address? IPv4 192.168.1.2.
1.12.
1.2, right?
Not 1, 2.
192.168.1.2. I'm sorry. 1.12. I'm sorry. Yeah, thank you. 1.12. Right, fine. So now I have to use this IP address to connect to the server, guys. So now help me, guys, how to connect to the server remotely. Now help me from the beginning. Now I know the IP address. Now I want to connect to the server remotely. Help me, guys.
Open start button.
Start button.
Sir,
Start
open
button.
MS.
We need to search for MSTSC or
Okay.
Windows desktop.
I can use
RTC.
remote. Simply I can use remote.
Remote
Also.
desktop.
Okay, remote desktop. So it will ask the IP address. So IPv4, always you have to give IPv4 only, guys. 192.168.1.1 minute.
1,
Let me
2.
cancel it. Yeah. If you give wrong IP address, okay, 1.12, it won't connect, guys. Connect Now it is asking username and password. Which username and password I have to give, guys? Can anyone tell me?
Administration and social
Yeah,
administrator.
which
password which
server?
you created.
Batch 42 username is administrator and batch 42 password, guys. Okay. So the username is administrator, ADMINISTRATOR. Okay. And the password is, when you create this machine, I gave one password, right? I have to give that password. Hit enter, guys. Right. So you are getting this error. Listen carefully. You will all get this error, guys. That's why I want to show you how to fix this error. This could be due to CRED SSP encryption or Oracle remediation. Very simple solution. Go to the server directly. In the organization, you don't get this error, guys. Nothing to worry. While practicing, you will get this error. Again, go to this PC settings. Again, go to remote settings. Okay. Here, under remote, uncheck this option. This option, allow connections only from computers. Okay. Keep it as it is. Uncheck this box. Apply. Okay, guys. Okay. Done. Done. Right. Again, definitely any one of you called me, sir, I am getting this error, how to troubleshoot it. Guys, please, you should be patient. If you want to learn subject, you should be patient. Listen the videos again and again. No issues. You came to know one extra point. Okay. Please be patient. Don't think I can learn, okay, without, like, what we can say, spending the time and all. Go through the videos again. That's why I'm uploading the videos immediately. Okay. So now what I have to do, the same process. Again, I have to give the IP address, guys. Okay, click OK. Right? Click connect. Now you have to provide same machine IP, machine username, TRATOR administrator, and the password, server password, guys. Right? Now you will get this screen, guys. This is how in the organization you will get. While connecting to the servers, you will get this kind of screen. What I have to click? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No, no, no. Yes.
Yes or no, guys? Tell me, no
Sir,
problem.
yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
You need to click on yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes only.
Yes.
Are you sure? Yes only.
Yeah.
Again, if you want to change the answer, you can change the answer, guys. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, done. Okay, so you have to press yes, guys. You have to click yes, not no. If you click no, again it will be closed. Okay, press yes. Click yes. Then you are able to connect to the server remotely like this, guys. Now, can you see the server? You can see one blue bar here on top.
Yeah.
You can see the server, right? So this is the way of connecting to the server. Your remote is the last possible due to network connected. Okay, might be some network connection issues are there. Let me connect again. Okay, so let me type the password. Once you connected successfully, no need to give username again. For the first time, you have to give username and password. Next time, you can see administrator, right? Directly, you can give the password, guys. Happily, you can give the password. Click yes, guys. That's it. Okay, so this is how we have to connect to the server, guys. This is how you have to. Earlier, if you see, this is my direct connection. Once you connected to the server, guys, the direct connection will be locked. Either you can connect to the server directly or remotely. If you connect to the server directly, remote connection will be closed. If you connect to the server remotely, direct connection will be locked. Agree? That is not error.
Yes, sir.
That is not an error. Either you can connect using direct connection or remote connection. If you connected to the same server remotely, the direct connection will be locked. If you are connected to the server directly, the remote connection will be closed, guys.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, sir.
Any issues, any doubts as of now? Everyone, is it clear, guys? Okay, this is how
Yes,
we'll
sir.
connect to the server in the organization. So now we can start installing SQL Server, but before doing that, how to connect to the server, we have already discussed. Once our work is done, how to get out of the server, how to log off, how to disconnect. What is the difference between log off and disconnect? I'll tell you, guys. Guys, listen carefully. I have connected to the server. When I can connect to the server remotely, my server is up and running, then only I can connect to the server remotely. That is clear, right? So here, remember one very important thing. Never ever shut down the server, guys. Never ever shut down the server in the organization. Forget about shut down the server. We don't shut down any server in the organization. There are some chances, there are some cases like patching and all. During those cases, we will reboot the server, reboot or restart. Okay, both are same. There are some chances we will restart the server, but we'll never shut down any server in the organization. Forget about shutdown option. Okay, you can shut down your laptop only, not servers. Okay, some people will have a doubt, if I shut down my laptop, the server will be shut down. No, that's not possible. Okay, so if you shut down your laptop, nothing will happen to your servers, right? So no issues. Happily you can shut down. Once your work is completed, of course you have to shut down your laptop. Okay, so servers we don't shut down. There are some cases we have to reboot it, but we never shut down the servers. Listen carefully. First important point. Once our work is completed, we have to log off from the server. We have to log off. You have some work, you want to install SQL Server, connect to the server remotely, install the SQL Server. Your installation is done, everything looking good, log off from the server. You want to take the backup of one database, connect to the server, take the backup of database. Once your work is done, log off from the server. You want to restore one database, connect to the server, restore the database. Okay, once done, log off from the server. You want to give permissions to one login, one person, connect to the server, give permissions. Once your work is done, you have to log off, guys. Okay, so once our work is done, we have to log off. How to log off from the server? Go to the server, open Windows R, type log off. This is the shortcut. Okay, or hit Windows button. You can see on power button, sign out button will be there. This one on username, sign out button, sign out. This is GUI method. This is shortcut method, guys. Open run, either you can go by this or that method. Open run, type log off. Once your work is completed, then only type the log off, guys. Or sign out. Log off or sign out, both are same. GUI we can call it as a sign out. Log off means command way, we can call it as a log off, guys. Okay, let me log off. Done. My remote connection is closed. Again, if I click on this remote connection, guys, I just pinned. Don't see here, you cannot see here. I just pinned. Okay, remote desktop. I have pinned to my task manager. Right click, pin to task start bar or pin to task bar. You can go for it. That's why you can see here. Okay, even though I don't use it, again I'll go for direct like this only, remote desktop connection. Okay, fine. Okay, so you can use MSTS also. Sometimes they will ask you, can you do the RDP to the server? Can you do the RDC to the server? Can you do MSTS to the server? Means they are asking us to connect to the server remotely. Let me connect again. Connect. And again, I have to give the password 123. Yes. Done. I have connected to the server again, guys. Okay, once you connected, you can see the server manager will open automatically. You can minimize it or you can close the server manager, guys. Fine. So that is what your log off. Remember, guys, if you log off from the server, whatever work you are doing, all the work will be closed, killed, guys. Literally, whatever work you are doing, all the work will be killed or cancelled. If I want to say clearly, all the work will be cancelled. Imagine you are taking the backup in the management studio. You have connected to the server. You are taking the backups in the management studio, but suddenly somehow you want to log off. If you log off, okay, whatever you are doing, if you are taking the backups, if you are restoring the database, if you are copying the files, whatever you are doing, all the sessions will be closed, guys. If there is no work, if your work is completed, then only log off from the server. Okay, if your work is completed, then only log off from the server. If you are still pending work is there. Why? Because sometimes pending work will be there. Sometimes you have to take the backup. To take the backup, it might take 2 hours, 3 hours. But you are going to end your shift. The shift is almost completed. You cannot wait, right, until the backup is completed. You cannot connect to the server and you cannot wait, right? Okay, in that case, what I have to do? You want to restore a database. Okay, you are restoring a database, but it is taking a lot of time, 4 hours, 5 hours, it is showing. But your work is completed, your shift is done. You have to shut down your laptop. What we have to do? Someone is already said the answer. What is the answer, guys?
Disconnect.
Disconnect, guys. Okay, this button you can see, right? Close button. Okay, so if you are having a pending work, disconnect from the server. If there is no pending work, log off from the server. Now you know the difference between disconnect and log off. If you log off, whatever work you are doing, everything will be cancelled. If you disconnect, even though you are taking backups, in the background, the backups will run. In the background, the restore will run. In the background, the copy process will run. Simply it will disconnect you guys. That's it. Okay. Is it clear? Any issues, any doubts? Is it clear, guys? When to disconnect, when to log off? Simply,
Yeah.
if pending work is there on the server, disconnect the server. If there is no pending work, everything is completed, log off from the server. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Any questions, any doubts, you can ask me.
Sir, it will close, sir.
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Less than 1 minute, sir.
Oh, okay. Let me reconnect, guys. Let me reconnect.